pocket spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic picture.
Hey guys, it's me again, Anne Christine, and welcome back to another staycation vlog. Super na-miss ko mag-staycation vlog. Andito actually lahat ng mga staycation vlogs namin in this playlist. I hope you guys could check it out. Anyway, today we are here sa Bale Pablo here in San Fernando, Pampanga. Tara, tour ko kayo. Perfect para sa ating mga parents habang sinusupervise natin yung mga kids mag-swim if we don't feel like swimming. So yeah, it's very relaxing. Tapos pwede ka magdala ng laptop mo. You could work here. You could enjoy your coffee here with the view of the pool. And the good thing about this pool is half of it is actually pang kids. Ayan yung mga kids ko. Enjoy na enjoy sila. Tala is 3 years old, turning 4. And Kuya Tio is turning 10 next month. And now we're here sa kanilang outdoor kitchen and outdoor dining. But inside, meron ding indoor dining if you prefer that. Ito yung welcome drinks nila. It's so very aesthetic. They also gave us a welcome merienda. But only because it's my birthday. It's not for everyone, guys. Ang sarap ng pizza actually. Kinain ko na kanina. Ayan, may kagat na. It's pizza and syempre for the kids, fries. So, papakita ko sa inyo ano ba yung mga kitchen equipment or tools na meron dito para you know kung ano ba yung kailangan yung baunan and hindi na kailangan. Now, this is their indoor dining area. It can seat up to 8 people. This is the living room. And I'm not sure if kita sa camera, pero ito siya. It's a sunken living room. So, Bali na Bali in the thing. Ito yung couch niya. Sobrang daming kasya dito. So, it's good for big groups, for celebrations. And then they have a TV. Another thing that I like about the living room, well, not just the living room, but the entire house. Actually, the entire house is filled with paintings, with artwork ng wife ng owner. So, very personal yung touch. Dito, pagpasok mo pa lang ng bahay, inspirational. Actually, this is spiritual. So, ang galing. Pagpasok mo pa lang ng house, may inspire ka na. This is the master's bedroom. It can accommodate up to 4 people, I think, kasi this is a king-size bed. So, kaming apat, dito na kami matutulog kasi kaming apat, gusto talaga namin, tabi-tabi kami. Hindi na namin i-utilize ng other rooms, but I'm still gonna show you guys just so you have an idea. They have a smart TV with Netflix access. Here they have a soloia cabinet. Wow, merong extra unan. And merong mga wooden hangers. Another artwork. Now, let's check out the bathroom. Ito yung shower nila. Meron na dyang shampoo and body wash. This is the family room and yan, meron siyang 2 bunk beds. 4 na queen-size beds yung andito. Marami rin siyang ma-accommodate. More artworks over here. They also have cabinets, yan. Saliya din, terno-terno. Let's go to the 3rd bedroom. Siyempre, meron ulit cabinets and artwork. I love this one. Meron kang access to outside. And very identical siya dun sa isang room, yes. 4 na queen-size beds din to. This room has its own bathroom. Ayan. Very identical lang siya dun sa bathroom kanina. Please stick around kasi later papakita ko sa inyo how it looks like at night and papakita ko rin sa inyo yung bonfire area. Bukas natin siya mamayang 7 p.m. Guys, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko na cake from Edna's Cake Land. If you've been following me, alam niyo na ilang beses ko na itong pinost sa IG stories ko kasi sobrang sarap talaga nito.
taking my